Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? If you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe. If you are returning subscribers, I welcome you back. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for coming back. Please like the video, share and comment. Yes, I'll be reading this news from different online posts made by Nigerian medias. Well, there's a news there that I want to read for us to understand that Fulani herdsmen are still operating in Southeast. So imagine what they're doing despite the security agencies that Biafran people have, established, making sure that things will not turn to the way it is in Kaduna and Benue State and many other parts of the northern part of Nigeria and western part of Nigeria as well. You can see here, gunmen kidnap Catholic priests, 6 others in Enugu State. Gunmen suspected to be Fulani herdsmen have adopted a Catholic priest, Reverend Father Marcellinus Okidi, and 6 other motorists in separate locations across Enugu State. Their adoption is coming barely for 24 hours after a middle-aged man was killed and several others kidnapped in Enugu State on Saturday. Father Okidi and a parish priest of St. Mary's Catholic Church, Amofiago Alpha, in Udi local government area of Enugu State, was kidnapped on Sunday evening around 5 p.m. along Eke Alpha Egede Road while returning to his parish. The Catholic Diocese of Enugu State has confirmed his adoption and called on Christians to pray for his safety. This is the area why I decided to share this news. You can see here, all they can tell you is to pray for his safety. Pray for the safety of the man, a priest that has been adopted, and he stays in the hands of herdsmen who are not even Christians, who call the infidels. And when you tell the priest or the Catholic Diocese of Enugu State that the best thing is for you to support the cost of Biafrans, the IPOB, Simon Epa, to arm our youth to protect our land, so that those things that is happening in Kaduna and other northern part of Nigeria, even in Benue State, will not happen in the southeast, will not happen in different land. They will not support it. They will kick against it. They will tell you that you are trying to cause problem between government and the people, that you are trying to bring a Nigerian army to do this and do that. Now, the Diocese of Enugu State cannot even summon courage to question the current governor, to tell the people what is going on, why is Fulani herdsmen are still committing this evil in our land, despite killing that have been going on, destruction they have caused in the past in the same Enugu State. A few months ago, we heard about the news of what they did in Ihamofu, and now they are again picking people randomly in the city, in the same state of Enugu State. So we don't need to believe in what religious leaders are saying currently. If they cannot stand up to tell us the truth, tell the people the truth and preach what is happening, because you cannot tell me that someone who is not a Christian, who has a rifle in his hands, a terrorist for that matter, is none with a Reverend Father, and all you can do or say is pray for his safety. After praying for him, what next? If they release him, how sure are you they're not going to kidnap another person? And I don't think there has been any news where they kidnap people and release that person just like that. This is what we need to understand, because we cannot keep on deceiving ourselves for no just reason. It's a very sad news actually, but what can we do? I just want to share this news so that those people who are questioning what Simon Ekpa and government in exile are doing to protect the land, to fight back, to defend our people, they need to question themselves, because seeing is believing. As you can see in Sahara Reporters page, they posted this news. Sit at home Nigerian police operatives shot dead 3 gunmen enforcing exercising recovering weapons. And you can see below here they have some machetes and guns, which this is pump action. And it is very clear because of this image, because of this image attached in this image. That's why I don't think going to read in details what the post is necessary, because it is already clear that they are telling lies. Pump action. My goodness. After seeing what Biafran Liberation Army have, after seeing how the mode of operation and the equipment they have at the moment, you are not telling me they are moving around with machete like henchmen and pump action to face Nigerian military and police that have all the equipment to kill, which they have been using for long. And you think the different people are so stupid to use this kind of thing? Although the good news here is that they did not mention Biafran, but when you say sit at home, you are indirectly referring to IPOB, that they are the one enforcing this and all that, which is not true. So when I see the picture, I laughed. I know it is all about propaganda, because they are doing everything in their power to cajole and to belittle the effort of Simon Ekpa and the Biafran Liberation Army. So, but it is very clear. We all know what is going on. We also can see days has gone when we rely on mainstream media to report to us what is going on and the truth about what happened and all that, because it is very clear that they have biased mind. Some of them have what they want, what they think. Some of them are one Nigerianists. Some of them are not even in support of anything. They just want to protect their interest and favor whoever they think that they're gonna pay them off. So we all know that it is none our responsibilities to find out the truth, and that is what we are doing. I believe we are doing it better. We are doing it best, if not even better. So you cannot deceive people with this kind of information. Bringing out an old ancient machete and tie it red cloth and all that looks so fetish and all that. It's very funny, very very funny. No, I don't believe this information at all. But let's just you know make it clear to them. We have to let them know that we know what they're trying to do. Here is another laughable news from Nigerian Army. They posted in their page, this kind of news as well, similar to the one I just read, saying things that is not, reasonable. And I'm trying to know why they're doing these kind of things. If they want to lie, they should make it make sense. You don't just post things like this and believe people to take you serious. Nigerian Army posted in their page, joined Nigerian Army police troops neutralize IPOB ESN combats in Abia, Enugu encounters, bust hideouts. Joint troops of 82 Division Nigerian Army and Nigerian Police have neutralized 3 combats of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and whatever. And the same thing that made me not to read in details the previous one that I read is what I'm seeing here as well. Taking, all because whatever they post, they have to attach it with the red cloth, telling you that the Biafrans or IPOB, whoever they think that the ESN are too fetish. They put a lot of nonsense here. You can see the machete. Of course, they have to use machete to tell you that they are so IPOB and Biafrans are so poor they cannot lay hands on better ammunition, better guns, machine gun, and all that. So they are using these things to deceive people who have no intention to research on get the information on their own. And you can see what General Orji and his group posted one certain time using this car here, showing their equipment in the position. They copied that as well, post it here that they have neutralized and do this and do that and all this nonsense. It is very, very sad that a country as big as Nigeria in number, not big in anything, and anything good, because what they're saying here, it makes them to look so foolish. You don't post this kind of thing and believe people to take you serious. I am so embarrassed because other, let's assume that you are doing this just to show, to proper make any accusation or propaganda for propaganda's sake or anything. You forgot that not only Nigerians are reading this, people from other countries, other African countries, people from the other part of the world are seeing this thing you're doing, and probably they are following the activities of IPOB or government, Nigerian Biafran government in Ezra. Not what you are, not like before when people will come to you and say, you are Nigerian media, Nigerian mainstream media and all that, this is a mega platform in Nigeria, you believe you read news there and take that home. No, people are waking up, they know what they want, they know how to research, they know where to go to get information. They can see random posts from different individual that even have access to the news close by, that can capture the real thing and post it online. So after reading that, you come here to twist and make it look so nice to favor your agenda and all that. It doesn't work that way. You need to, they need to rethink that we are not in that boat age. This is not analog as generation. This is a digital generation. People can do their research on their own and get the information they want. Okay guys, I have to draw the curtain here for now. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.